अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दीजिए। शुक्रिया।
Excuse me, do you know what time the next bus to downtown arrives?
I'm not sure, but I think it should be here in the next 5 minutes or so. Are you headed downtown?
Yes, I need to get to the central station to catch a train.
Oh, I see. Well, the bus that stops here will take you right to the central station. It's the number 15 bus.
That's great, thanks for letting me know. Do you happen to know how much the fare is?
Yes, it's $2.50 for a single ride, but if you plan on taking the bus frequently during your stay, it might be worth getting a day pass for $5.
I'll keep that in mind. Is there a ticket machine, or do I need to have exact change?
There's a ticket machine on board the bus that takes cash and card payments. But if you have exact change, it might save you some time.
Okay, thanks for the tip. Is this the bus stop for the number 15?
Yes, it is. You can see the bus route and schedule posted on the sign over there.
Great, thanks for your help.
No problem. Have a safe trip.